Hey, how are you? This is Ahmed Zuhaidi, and in this video, we're going to explain to you the difference between the wet bulb temperature and the dry bulb temperature. Usually, we would like to know what are the parameters we have for the air, or the atmospheric air, by determining the wet bulb temperature and the dry bulb temperature. We use a device which called the cyclometer or the psychometer sling, which is something similar to the one we see in the photo to the right. You can see that in this photo we have two thermometers. One of them is going to be covered with the wick, and this wick need to be wetted. So the one with the wet gauze or the wick is going to read the wet bulb temperature. What's happening is that the water will start to evaporate from this wetted gauze, and then we are going to measure what will be the temperature of the moisture left on the week. So it's going to be the wet bulb temperature. The other thermometer is going to be dry bulb, and it's going to read the ordinary temperature we know, like everything you have with the normal devices you have around you, including the electronic thermometer or even the glass and liquid thermometer. As the cyclometer in slug is going to go through the air, the water will vaporize from the wet gauze, resulting in the lower temperature to be registered by the thermometer. So you always have to be sure that when you're going to use the cyclometer sling, you need to know that the wet bulb temperature need to be less than the dry bulb temperature. There's only one exemption is when we're going to have very high humidity, because what's happened that the evaporation of the water from the gauze is going to be at the minimum rate. The dry the atmospheric air is, the lower wet bulb temperature will be, and when the relative humidity of the air is going to be something near 100%, there will be a little difference between the wet bulb temperature and the dry bulb temperature. The wet bulb temperature is approximately equal to the adiabatic saturation temperature, and the wet bulb temperature and dry bulb temperatures are and the atmospheric pressure uniquely determine the state of the atmospheric air. Now, this is a psychometer as a simple device. This one doesn't have to be actually sling. This one usually going to be hang on the wall, but this uh, going to measure the wet bulb temperature in the airstream direction. Okay, now thank you for your listening, and we're going to explain further about the psychometric chart in the following videos.